Algebraic expression. So basically, it's just saying, if you look at the picture, you have Amelia Bedelia right there that says, I have 1 apple. And what does Ben say? I have 3 more apples than Amelia. I have 4 apples. Now, if you look at that table, they give you a table. Amelia. Amelia Pond? You know what I'm talking about? No? Okay. And Ben. So Amelia has 1 apple. How many does Ben have? 4. And what did he say right before he said 4? Yes, sir. 3 more than Amelia. So what does that mean? If you have 3 more, what does that mean to do? To add. What are you adding?
3.
Adding 3. What's 3? 1 plus 3?
Equals 4.
4. All right. Cool. Now, they give you a model right there for showing it. Not an actual model, a picture right there. So they give you a picture right there. They give you 1 box for Amelia, 1 box for Ben, and then 3 more boxes up for there. Look at page 10. What is Ben saying here? Yes?
I have 3 more apples than Amelia.
That's not exactly what he says.
I always have.
I always have. So that means it doesn't matter what Amelia has. I will always have 3 more apples. So let's just say, what if Amelia has 2 apples? Yes?
Then he's going to have 3 more apples.
So 3 more apples than the 2, which is how many?
5.
So he has 5 apples. Well, what if, focus here, your body should be facing this way. What if Amelia has 4 apples? How do I figure out how much Ben has?
Plus 3 equals 7.
So you do 4 plus 3. All right, he has 7 apples. Oh, very, very nice. So if you take a look at that table, they give you 1, then 2, then 10. Now they say X. Uh-oh. That means when we're dealing with algebra, we don't need to deal with numbers anymore. We could just use letters to represent the number. So if Amelia has X apples, how would I figure out how many apples Ben has? Yes, sir.
X plus 3.
X plus 3. This right here, yeah, that's the algebraic expression. So when we're talking about algebraic expressions, this is what we're talking about. Amelia could have anything. I don't know how many apples Amelia has, but I do know that Ben will always have 3 more. Why he's always keeping track of Amelia's apples and wanting to have 3 more? Psychological issues maybe, but we know he has 3 more apples than Amelia. Yeah. Look at example 1 on page 11. You have this boy, Carl. And you have this girl, Kimmy. Carl says, I am Y years old. Why? Because he does. Now it says, Kimmy says, I am 2 years younger than Carl. What does that mean? We're talking about 2 years younger. What does that mean to do? Anyone who hasn't answered yet? You answered 1. You answered 1. Yes?
So you subtract from y 2.
Okay, you subtract 2 from y. So that expression is just y minus 2. Bada boom, bada bing. Here is our algebraic expression. Now if I were to write this as a model, they give you actual model right there in your book. They give you Carl. And they give you Kimmy. Now, how old is Carl?
He's y.
So this whole thing right here is y. What does Kimmy say? She's 2 years younger. That means you need to take away how much?
2.
So this right here, isn't this the part that was taken away?
Yeah.
So how much is that going to be?
2.
So that's 2. So this part right here, let's write the 2 down here. Hey, are you focusing? I don't think you are. So how old is Kimmy? Y minus 2. So y minus 2. That's basically how you model it. There's y, you take part of it away, that's what you have left over. All right. Pretty simple, right? So the idea is just this. That guy right there. How to write an algebraic expression. If you want to see a lesson that you might like here, click on this box right here. My most recent one is right here.